Kalpa Power was set up in the year 2017 with the goal of having power available to all, be it environmentally friendly through solar and other sources of renewable energy, and to make it affordable and accessible to all. This works well with the global climate development movement and the energy conservation actions that are going around the world. Our customer base is quite diverse, from small residential systems to large utilities powering entire states and villages at the same time. Our focus is to provide affordable electricity to customers for which electricity is a large input cost and for which the end product becomes unviable. So solar is a great alternative through which energy can be made reliable, environmentally friendly, and at the same time drive the production cost down. More than 90% of our work happens on the customer site because these are heavy capex projects and require huge amount of infrastructures to be set up. Having a technology which is nimble, mobile, and at the same time accessible to all is something which was very important in us selecting our sort of technology partner. Prior to Salesforce, we were using a whole slew of tools, including Excel files and Microsoft projects or other similar tools. But we never had a consolidated view of all our work happening across project sites. Selecting Salesforce came naturally to us as Salesforce was available across the entire customer spectrum. We were able to engage customers from a CRM perspective and then move on into the life cycle of the project, in which we were able to do engineering build-outs, designs, move into procurement activities, and even manage on-site construction activities through Salesforce. For us, Salesforce is really not a CRM, but an entire resource planning tool, and we are able to use it from the purchase to pay cycle as well as from the procure to consume cycle. For Kalpa Power, reducing its inventories from 20% in 2017 to a bare minimum of 3% of our top line last financial year has ensured quicker project turnarounds, higher efficiencies, and thus being able to churn out more projects in the same given timeline, thus ensuring customer delight and also ensuring better profitability. With our internal processes set right, Kalpa is primed for its global expansion into newer service territories like Africa, Middle East, and Southeast Asia, providing the same customer delights our customers in India are so used to.